Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva using Cellphone step by step. Open the Canva app and sign in, then tap the plus icon to start a new design and pick dimensions or a template. Use the template library to get a base, add images from your phone, change fonts and colors, and use drag gestures to position elements. Save and export your design for social media or to share with friends and clients. Open your design and tap any element to edit it directly with easy controls. Add text boxes, choose fonts, and adjust sizes and spacing with pinch gestures. Tap images to crop, apply filters, or replace with photos from your gallery. Use the Arrange menu to move items forward or backward and group elements to edit multiple pieces at once. Preview your work in full screen before exporting for best results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers that make meal prep simple and tidy, and they pair well with on-the-go design work between meals. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. When your design looks right, tap Export to choose PNG, JPG, or PDF and pick quality settings that match your needs. Use lower resolution for quick uploads or higher quality for printing and presentations. Save to your device or share directly to social apps and messaging platforms from within Canva. Double-check text alignment and margins before final export to avoid cropping when posting or printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.